In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a Webador website. If you have already created a website and want to make changes, start by searching for Webador in your browser. Click on Login at the top right-hand side of the official website and sign in using the details you set when creating your website. After logging in, you will be taken to your dashboard where your website is displayed with its name. To begin editing, click on the Edit option on your website, which will open the Webador editor. Before editing, it is important to understand how a Webador website is structured. At the top, you will usually see the banner section, followed by multiple sections as you scroll down. Each section can contain different elements such as text, images, buttons, and columns. This section-based structure helps keep your website organized and easy to manage. Inside each section, you can drag and drop elements from the left-hand side of the screen. To edit the banner, click on it and then select the Edit option. You can change the text directly, and if the banner contains buttons, you can click on a button and choose the Change option to assign a link. For example, you can link an About Us button to the About Us page, so visitors are redirected when they click it. You can also link buttons to external websites, files, or other internal pages. After making changes, always click the Save button at the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. To add new content, drag and drop elements from the left-hand panel into the exact position you want within a section. You can add titles, write custom text, format it by adjusting alignment, color, or style, and turn it into headings if needed. You can also add buttons and name them according to your needs. Existing content can be edited by simply clicking on it and replacing or updating the text. For images, click on any image element and choose to upload a new image from your device or select one from the available stock media. You can resize images by adjusting them from any side to align them with nearby content. If your website requires special elements, such as a photo gallery for a photography website, you can search for a gallery element and add it anywhere on your page. If needed, you can first create a new section and then insert the gallery inside it. You can also switch between different pages of your website to edit them individually. To change colors, fonts, or the overall look of your website, click on the Design tab at the top and adjust the design settings accordingly. And this is how you can edit a Webador website.